Welcome. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download songs and playlists from Apple Music. To begin, let's find a song or a playlist that we want to download. If you want to download a specific song, just press on the three dots next to the name of it and press Add to the library. Once the song was added to the library, we can download it, pressing the same three dots and selecting Download. As you can see, the song was downloaded and now we can listen to it offline. If you want to download an entire playlist, just press on the plus button. That will add it to the library, and then just press the arrow down button. That will start downloading it. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, leave us a like and subscribe.